Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to get notified when we drop another banger lit video. What's up, TMS Squad? You don't miss a girl, Sam in the building.
I don't know the girl Killer Mesa.
Don't know General Days. Young King out, and young King out.
Go subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, guys. So tonight. We're coming to y'all with a never have I ever. Y'all, put up paper and show the people them what go on. Yeah, don't mind ugly writing. It look like it upside down because I came. I don't know what things yet. But you see, I have, and I have not.
I me just have, I have, because me have, me have.
You're too loud.
Alright.
Alright, make sure now.
Yeah, guys. Before we get started in the video, and you don't know the usual. Wait, first of all, like, we're at 400 subscribers.
Yeah.
Thank the people them for now.
Thanks, guys.
Welcome new people. Welcome to the channel. You done the things set.
But remember, say, after the video with me, you're going so far.
People, talk, please. Me do the prank for my mother. That, really.
Yeah, because it's we do the prank. What's wrong?
Alright, we do the prank now.
Yeah,
We do the prank.
I remember Young King out, you know, because the PJ is like a artist.
Yeah, go subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, guys, but we're not even got further talk. We don't know the usual. Follow page for Instagram, Sammy _
family _ TV.
and follow me on Instagram at
Manda
what is for Instagram?
Manda on.
Manda _ own and what else them to do?
Alright, go subscribe to our channel at Sammy Lifestyle. Go subscribe to our channel at Sammy Lifestyle.
Follow
please,
me
guys.
on
And make
Instagram,
sure-
uptopboss _ 41.
Yes, make you reach
Yeah.
40 subscribers.
Guys, let's just jump right into this.
Let's just jump right.
That disrespect.
Jesus Christ, Chunky, me feel like say you overtalk me.
Yeah,
I overtalk you, say? Overtalk you, say?
You know,
Every time you try to talk, people is like, yeah.
it's all I'm saying about the camera. She overtalk her.
Guys, go back to my channel if you want to see me act normal.
She don't really act normal all the time, people.
You know what? Let's go, guys. I have some questions from Google. I'm going to make some comments. If you want, you can drop in something.
And me?
Yeah.
And I'm going to let my one of them drop in.
Just drop in my chat and do. Alright. Anyways, yeah, guys.
You're savage.
PG what?
15.
No, idiot. How much? 8. PG 8. Yes, sir. We don't even know, yeah.
Yeah, 8.
Anyways, guys, the first question is never have I ever. No, sir. Wrong. I wrong. Never have I ever picked my nose and ate it. What's it? Stop that like, y'all.
Me never pick me nose and eat it.
I have. But I'm really small, brother. Everybody that when it's small.
You know what I just feel like some good always nice. And I always just pick my nose and just. And sometimes I'll school, basic school, and I pick my nose and I eat any girl and run from me.
Fam, shut up. The
No,
next question. Alright, wait. Fam.
But I'm not gonna lie, you know, it's a true thing now.
Never have I ever ate food that had fallen on the floor. Everybody have. I have. Everybody have.
Am I food so?
If my chicken drop me, I take it
Ah,
out.
You know the thing
lick
that
off the
makes
finger too.
what?
Lick off all the dirt them off of you. I'm not talking about my friend, my food.
What is the one of never have I Ew!
What?
Never have I ever picked a scab and ate it. Like one serpent skin? No! Oh,
That's
that's
crony.
nasty.
That's very crony.
I am not.
That's
Ew.
very crony. That's very crony.
That's very, very
That's
crony.
very disgusting.
I am crony, but I wouldn't do that.
Fabio, you're disgusting.
No,
You're
Weird.
always you're disgusting.
that's why I try to come over Young King and see real funny.
Yeah.
What? Never have I ever eaten something that was expired.
Something I got shop
You buy one brownie and it expire.
Something I got shop by mistake, so I have. I
I
eat stuff that expired.
have.
Me not like it, but
But
It
if I put your mouth in your soul like that,
Yeah, you know it
yeah,
is.
yeah.
Lord, never have I ever spit in someone's drink.
No.
Fuck do it. Fuck do it. That's why I'm not drink from people.
No.
I'm not. That is so nasty.
No, you have to
No,
tell why
that's
sometimes I gotta go try when I do those stuff.
You was look at you do it when you're big. Because I know I say you're disgusting.
I'm not spiteful all the while. Just spiteful. I'm not spiteful.
Guys, me look for the funny question them. What am I on?
What is that?
Them question are messed up, dog.
Oh shit.
What kind of fool question them here?
You ask about man and woman?
No, like fool question. They were not funny.
So you do if you find a funny one?
Alright, never have I ever fallen asleep in class. Everybody have. Is it class listening?
Wally time.
Why do two of me love sleep?
I play game all the while and I bleach right through the night. So I
Class!
sleep in class.
Oh,
Me sleep in that class.
So,
Come like
you still not play a game till the
I'm
morning?
gonna play a game.
Oh, you're not a gamer?
No.
No.
Never have I ever used someone else's toothbrush. I have not, and I have not. Yeah, you use somebody else's toothbrush, girl. She have. You use somebody else's toothbrush. I reckon I use that toothbrush when you left your toothbrush and it come down on my yard. You use somebody's toothbrush. Don't do that.
Alright, guess.
I've not.
You wanna know why I use my toothbrush?
Ugh.
I left my one in my room and then couldn't bother to go back to my room and I was gonna buy one toothbrush and I know say my brother and my sister is easy. Straight up.
Lord.
And then I dash you after.
No, what?
What? A new toothbrush, you know, kiss off a...
Ugh. No, Father, it's so
No,
disgusting.
but...
Yeah, me look for some juicy question.
You have Chris and Juicy? We're thirsty right now, we're drink one.
Never have I ever used the bathroom and not wash my hands.
No.
Not that shit.
Alright, listen. Let me get mad. We're gonna keep it a buck on this video. Like, everybody do that shit.
No,
You never go to public bathroom and like the water never gonna air it and use the bathroom and wash your hand.
That's not true.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Please stop the cap. Guys, you look upside down because me must say I came out with the
When I put it there, it makes sense.
I have. But everybody use bathroom when I wash their hand. Come on.
No, I always wash my
But when
hands.
I put up, I have not like a nice
I
girl.
always wash my face after, cause you
Yeah,
know,
true.
sometimes I feel like a shit sitting on my face.
Hear this. Never have I ever put something other than my finger in my nose.
Never put it on my nose. I don't know not that one.
I Jamaica, this is how they can't go.
Never put it on my nose.
No, me no put it in
I mean, no, that's so
No,
shit.
alright, come here. You never put one stick in your nose or
Never-
your
never put that on my
you're
nose, brother.
mad. No.
Alright, remember be real. I have. But put, yeah,
You might have, brother.
move.
Me not put nothing
I
on
put
my
like a
nose.
stick or something like that, yeah.
Me never do that.
Never have I ever farted in the car.
In our car,
You fart everywhere.
Wally time.
Yeah,
Wally time.
Me a laugh
Put
for
up
the-
a
me a laugh for the fart.
Me put up on
both in the fart. And I said, they say don't fart at people, yeah, go fart at people, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, Christian girl.
Me put up on wrong song, guys.
Oh
You
my
gotta feel
gosh,
like
and
me
that's never ever farted at school and blame it on someone else.
Wally Pepper.
But that's my hobby.
No!
That's my hobby. To fart. I say, you do it. Are you fart? You see when you fart.
No, let me tell you.
I tell when he is in bottom and blame it on me.
Come and tell you no. My fart then that stink, so my fart.
Neither.
You know, that's
Shut up.
my
If I should
fart
think
don't stink.
if you're defecating this thing like that, why you fart gonna be
My
stink?
defecate stink.
If you defecate stink like that, why you fart gonna
It
stink?
does stink. And we know when we
We're
We're gonna move on. We're gonna
Yeah,
move
move
on.
on.
Look, so never have I ever broken a bone. I've never. I've been spraying though,
I
right?
have
So,
not.
I sprayed. I sprayed.
I never sprayed
This
any
I was-
anywhere
Yeah,
on my
me
body.
spray
The
the
onion are weak.
Annie, me spray up here, so.
The onion weak.
Me
That's
spray
pretty.
up here, so.
That's pretty.
Oh, yes, man. Oh, yeah, I need to get something funny. Me spend my hand playing netball.
I never hurt myself before. Never sprain. I don't play football, I don't do those stuff.
Me never play no other that, it just sprain.
My grandpa never ever been called to the principal office.
Been called.
Me call the principal office every day you are.
Me no call.
I have.
Me no call.
Never.
You see last time the principal called me?
Mm.
I called him and tell me to get expelled from high school.
Anyways, never ever
Call me.
stolen food from someone.
Kakafato.
Plate?
Yeah, stole food from someone, plate. Put plate.
Me thief up my father food, my stepmother
thief
father
up-
food.
Jesus.
Even meat.
Me thief out mommy food every day.
I have.
Me?
I'm not really thief, but just take it.
Me
Me?
just check it don't experience.
Me thief.
Bad girl.
Alright, after our period, nothing, brother.
Period. Like, period.
No, period.
Anyways,
Period.
next question. Next question.
Next question.
Never have I ever taken something from my sibling without them knowing. I have. I regular them see me with the money and take it, so why not do the same?
Me see my brother them buy juice and put in the fridge and just thief it. And go
No,
and buy
me couldn't do that, come here.
Me cruel,
Me
you know?
thief smelly bad juice already.
Everything.
Guys, never have I ever
Mommy thief out to my mom.
copied from someone else's paper. My box cover.
Every exam so hard, them mad. Copy of your friend.
Big up my friend them, big up my friend them. You
up
see
my
when we are
friend them
exam
too.
yo, we always send it
I
back.
will
right?
always-
I'm tell you something. Because I was a bully at school.
And he's still a bully.
I always
He's
bully
still
the
a bully.
kids.
He's still a bully people.
He bully me every day.
Some local
Yeah,
riffraff,
we tell her say she
bully
favor
them,
stick.
and they have to give me and they have to give me every answer. Don't tell me she stick.
Yeah, go out now, man. Anyways,
I'm a kid normal.
alright, so when I got high school. Come here, primary, really bright. When I got high school,
Get done.
when I said that. When I got high school, I back at class to them. My friend them can't relate. They said that shot girl like Shannon now, she put on the paper, cause she there in front of her put on the paper like say turn the paper. Know the style there? And see me back right up. Not every answer, but like me does say, yo, one number 10 and them something.
Yeah.
Big up my friend them.
She said, in my dance is not like crew.
No, I ain't slow,
If
I
my
ain't slow,
friend
I
them
ain't
have to
slow.
make him pass test. Him share
No.
answers.
Everybody do that, I ain't slow.
Me know somebody dance. So that's why I bully people, I make them do my work for me.
I never dance, everybody dance for that, I dance in a maths, yes,
I can't read now.
but I still can do maths.
I can't read now
Don't
because I'm
get
a teacher.
twisted. You can't teach me nothing,
Stick.
because you
Stop
can't
that.
breathe.
Me can't breathe. Huh?
You can't, you know.
You can't breathe for your mind. You try to get.
Shut up.
You try.
Guys, no look for my ear don't do it.
Nobody look where you're from, man.
Me don't like what you
Never have
Me don't like it.
Never have I ever spent a night.
Yeah,
in
this she's the
Break your mouth.
Jesus Christ.
Never have I ever spent a night in a hospital.
whole heap of time.
I have not.
Yeah, me spend whole heap of time.
Never. Next question. Never have I ever
Me seen it before.
woken
one
up
week.
in a strange place.
Um,
I have because I was the girl that they kidnapped. You don't know the show 365 Days? Yes, I was that. Yeah.
She wanna be. I have not.
I have not.
Wait.
You see it?
A joke, man, I have not.
Not.
I'm not.
I have
Just Chris, what kind of
Nobody
question
really,
them
nobody
here?
really want to kidnap her. It's just,
Oh, you. Oh, yeah, nobody want
I'm
to.
get, nobody want to kidnap her. Kind you don't look good.
Say that, Yatel. Say that, Yatel.
I'm not a lie. Sorry. Stop the movie.
What? We're gonna move on, y'all.
Yeah, let's move
Guys,
on.
we're gonna move on.
Next question. Never have I ever crashed a party.
Crash the party.
Like, you got a party, go and bad and dance and broke out. You ever do that something there?
At that again?
Yeah, that
No.
no. Crash.
No.
You ever do that stuff?
I
When we
not.
got a party, we go on decent.
I have
But
not.
when we got a party with always
Uh-huh.
embarrass me. Like girl like Amanda. She crashed the party. She crashed the party right through. Remember one time we did a party and she crashed the party and lick up the boy them room table. She crashed the party. very much crash the
I
party.
have not. When I'm in party, I'm like more a gangster.
No!
Pop
Some party.
It's a Maggie.
Oh yeah, let me tell you about this boy. Let me tell you about this boy. You see when they are in like, you see when they see me on the street, so you go like my nice boy. But you can't go nice boy for me still, so
No, because you're not my type to be nice to, so...
You are my type, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Me could never be a type. Me could never be a type. Don't.
You can't be my type.
Exactly, and you can be my type, you can stay.
Me can't be a type.
Exactly.
You're a keyboard. You a keyboard, girl.
You're supposed to be my so-called
Best friend.
exactly. I ain't done it every day. Me hate you.
Suckle best
Next
friend.
I love
question.
you,
Suckle.
bestie.
Never have ever shoot a bush.
Suckle best friend.
Let's
Oh,
talk
boy.
about the story, bro.
Oh, me never shit a bush. Me never shit a bush.
I use cocoa leaf and butter to scratch me.
Alright, go tell me my story about that now.
Alright, guys.
I was small, okay? And then my brother and my cousin, I'm not calling it. Yeah, Leon, Amanda. What the guy, River.
Did he shit a
So
bush when I
you shit the
did
whole of that.
Yeah, true, me shit
Yeah,
a bush
bro,
when
that
I
was the
did.
And they helped me out.
Yeah.
But them shit a bush too, you know, so I feel like
No,
they
yeah,
make
shit a
all
bush
of
when
shit
we
a
did
bush.
that change street.
Shit a bush. No, don't be ashamed, darling. I shit a bush and it's cocoa leaf and I'm back. Never use cocoa leaf. Fuck.
But I was a cocoa leaf.
Yeah, cocoa leaf for you.
I remember God.
Yeah, watch the bat.
Guys,
Sorry, shit a bush story.
She was like,
guys, we say, somebody did I use the toilet when we did that Teen Street.
Jesus
Yeah, my
Christ.
cousin them. So me say, Tantan say, Kayla, who got bush go shit no? More shit no. Then me and Tantan got bush no. And son I know, son I say, Kayla, you care bag? Then me say, son I got no bag. So I say,
Next
then me
question.
Kayla care bag.
Alright, next question. Never that yes, you give me next question. The next question, never ever shit in a bag.
Me never shit.
you know shit in the bag.
Me never shit in a bag.
You want to hear my story about shit in the bag?
Yeah?
One time when Starma blow hard in there, don't tell Starma blow, you can't
Be
come out the house.
realistic
Not
now.
real, maybe. You can't come out the house and Starma blow. And I come to my have one bucket. And I put it back over a bucket and I shit and then I
So they want to tie it inside?
No, they outside toilet then like a country music to live. So outside toilet she live in a pit toilet and do the on the flush toilet. So I don't feel like say how me used to flush toilet all of my life. No. So I come to Bam now and
You know, shit and it shit up
I come to a train that I don't know. And then each up in one tree. The storm blow. I say breeze a blow, I say shit a blow this time. I say my video me shit feel whole like a dance.
Fab, shut up, Fab. Shut up.
So are you shit in the bag?
Me never shit in a bag. Me shit a bush.
Then talk to the people in here.
She said yes. She shit.
Next question, guys.
No, you
Guys,
Shit in a bag. Me shit a
I've never
bag.
shit in bag.
Sometimes
I've
you shit
never
up.
shit in bag.
Never.
Yeah, when somebody use the toilet, you shit.
You're lying, you know?
I've never shit in a
Me
bag.
no say shit in a bag.
Guys, me
I've
shit
never
out
shit
the
in
door
bag.
when I
You.
did him.
That's my sister behind the scene.
You never shit in a bag yet?
I've never shit in bag.
Me not come over to the top of the thing.
I've never shitted in bag.
Tell me, look at me eye and tell me you never shit in a bag.
Me, never shit in a bag.
God has seen you.
Me never shit in a bag. Me shit on the bush.
You shit everywhere.
Oh.
Never ever. Next question. Let's move from that shitting
Shit
topic.
in a bag, man.
You know, I have.
Sometimes me shit in a
That was a long
bush.
time ago though. I was so small. I was so
I know
small.
when I'm small. I see the big half flush
No, I'm small. I'm good.
I when I'm small, you combine a flush toilet, so oh you shit in a bag.
Because,
Mm-hmm.
You got people.
alright, all this shit in a bag, something to go for you, dog.
That's your answer.
But I'm never shit in a bag one big. When would I shit in a bag right now?
And you have toilet.
That's like when I'm in a grade
6.
5, 6.
Six.
Yeah.
That's when
So-
when me
so-
shit in a
so
bag,
all
I
that-
like
all
grade
that-
1.
But we have.
Because you, grade 6, I use the flush toilet.
Yeah.
Then I like in my days.
Exactly.
I
So that me
toilet.
I talk about all this shit in a bag.
Yes, I don't know as I could pick them as one shit in a bag for try.
No.
Come, skip
I
it.
don't know. Next question. I don't know about that shit in bag thing. But I don't know shit in a bag. Next question. Never ever got into a physical fight.
I have. I always been
You
in
never fight?
physical.
Yes? This a look picnic and fear cause them. Jesus.
every day.
Me fight every day.
Every day me have to take out the belt and bah. She and Tantan fight right through and she and Soneto. Them
Now we
terrible.
have beat up Sonia.
No, you're not beat up. Well, me no stairs. I have, but that's like one time.
Bro,
One
still-
time alone.
Me fight like every day.
One time.
We fight all the way, so.
One time. me no fight, cause yeah, one time.
I try to keep it decent. Yeah,
I'm decent. I
You
just
look-
you draw. I just certain people draw the, you know,
Terrible part of it.
Go.
like
What?
you draw it.
Question. Next question.
But yeah, it's a terrible to me.
Next question.
Take that back.
Take
that back.
question.
Yeah, Mr. Me look terrible. No, you look terrible.
But we don't say look terrible. You have to
You
tell
look
me say look
terrible.
terrible.
Watch.
You look terrible more than Samantha.
This video, I get more subscribe because
Ne-
everybody gonna share this.
You look
Where the
more
guys?
than
Where the guys?
Samish.
Watch it there.
Guys,
Bye.
Thanks.
that's even my
Guys, next question. This a video long one.
Next question. Next
Of course,
question,
never have I
next
ever
question.
been married.
I have.
The girl I think for married me.
You married Tanta?
I have.
I will marry you.
She didn't say I think put up. Nobody know I'm a stick.
I have.
Oh, who married you? Who married you?
Why am I say that?
You
She
married
don't
you?
want to tell the people them.
I never call who married you, but really, it's
Tell
funny.
them my story. You want to hear my story?
No, it's funny really look why I want to marry you.
Wait, go over. Come and deal with the boy. I
Yeah,
do this way.
yeah, go over. You're not.
Where no
Come on, tell me stop try. Come go and like say one this man on camera.
I'm not trying for this year. You're my so-called best friend.
Yeah, so-called best
So,
friend.
watch it now. I know you for years.
Boom, boom.
I have nose. nose.
Two dance man, shut up.
I have no.
Two dance man, two
For
dance.
years now. Who really didn't go good man for marry you?
Why you say that?
Can you stick?
Can you stick your bone? You come like a dog bone them.
Look at you. Just look at you.
You come like skeleton
See
bone.
the camera. Look on the camera. Look on yourself.
Guys, she cute, but
Guys,
she's
you
like
want to see a piece of
skeleton
space
bone.
where I have a gear in that chair.
Good there. Look there, guys. Look there. Look with that space.
She thick.
True, well
She thick.
Your energy like yourself, you know what I mean?
Tick.
Yeah.
Cause she tick. Tick. Put a big man, let me stop.
She has stick. She has stick.
Alright, next question. It's a
Next
second one,
question.
Julia. So if you want a part two, let me know. Never have I ever had a fake ID.
No, many people can't is my YouTube.
I've never had a fake
I
ID.
have.
I've never had a fake ID before, but I faked my age to go into a party like about 2 to 3 times.
You feel my age when me a go beach?
The fake all myself.
Guys, I put up I have not. For fake age when I go beach.
They me no put on I
Me never know say I'll be 18 for going to a beach.
You're saying that?
less money.
Never have I ever
Yes,
gotten a piercing other than my hairs. Oh, so yeah. Guys, him have been never pierce.
I need to put out. I want part of me. Pierce and I right on you.
Oh.
Right, two part of them. I have not.
Tries. Oh.
I have whisper. Oh, up yourself.
Where's it?
Me figure.
Where's it? Anyways.
Sandy, you're awful tonight. You're not going to say you're awful bad.
No,
What do you mean awful? That's what we normally go and put up.
don't try for this, my best friend.
So calm. Remember.
So cool.
I saw them call.
Alright.
Don't promise.
The last question.
Last and final.
Last at
I'm
if
just-
you
I
want
don't know. That's the thing. I pay for the
Yeah.
question. This.
Alright,
So,
so
give
you
the
want
one.
bad
Last question.
No, we can't find out a bad one right now. Just make sure you find one epic.
This none of them are an epic, brother.
We'll get time to find one epic Christian.
You want that now?
Okay, guys.
So remember, if you go over to my channel.
Oh yeah! Last question. Never have I ever walked out of a restaurant without paying.
Kakafat.
My teeth long time.
Tell your story. Wait, tell me what you and the girl. Oh, you and the girl. I'm so sorry.
I'm so
Tell a story. I have a fairy tale. Tell it.
It's a fairy tale, it's real.
Tell it.
I went to Chalkies.
Shark is a damn fool, yo.
Chalkies.
Shocking.
Me and two girls at Chalkies, isn't it?
Shark is.
Whatever your place one name, down so. And me gone sit down well, me have 5,000 in my pocket. Well,
5,000 got Shark is
I
with.
never have an expensive restaurant.
Next, talk it out, talk it out.
I'm a good on the rice and I'm gonna order lobster
Right,
and,
you.
and those stuff.
Right, you.
And when the bill come,
Mm-hmm.
the bill is like 20,000.
As it's supposed to be.
So I was like, shit, what I'm gonna do?
With $5,000.
So I told one of the girl that I'm going out to pick up some money from someone, and then that was it for me there. I don't know what happened for those girls, but that was it for me. No, nobody ain't gonna lock me up that day. So I cut with my 5,000 in my pocket. I'm not a
Say
mean
eat,
guy.
you did eat.
No.
Say
The girl they order.
Oh,
and
you,
them
so
just ask
you
me
did
bill.
sit down and watch them?
No, because me don't want to bill before me order something for myself. And me a bill me not bother, but I still get my 5,000 at KFC go eat at my restaurant. KFC. I love KFC. I love KFC.
You love KFC.
Yeah.
A
Kentucky
KFC
chicken.
bird.
You love KFC.
Ken the
Take
chicken.
taking chicken bird.
Guys, oh my gosh, this video is so long. That's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and
Make sure you turn on the post notification bell to
To get
notify
notified
when
when
we
we
drop
drop
another
Come
banger
on,
lit
come
video.
on.
But the box I don't should have more.
Yeah, guys, that's
Guys,
it
it
for today's.
made me get upset.
That's everything, sir.
You know what? We're heading out, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you want a part 2, make sure you comment, period, and we're out.
Acha.